Hello everyone. Very warm wishes of the day, my dear lovely students. I hope everyone is staying home and safe. Also, you must be taking care of the everyone around you. I am back with my another video, but before I proceed, let's start the day with a beautiful message which says that the people in your life should be a source of reducing stress, not causing more of it. That means you should always have the people around you who makes you happy, who do not give you stress. Whenever and whoever who makes you happy, just try to be happy in every situation, especially in this kind of situation that is prevailing around the world. Hello everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my GK classes. Today we are going to discuss another important chapters which are sobriquets, India quiz, classical dances, places and nicknames. All you have to do is what you have to do. You have to listen to me very carefully and then solve it in your book also with the help of the help box given. So let's start our class. But before I start my class, I would like to request everyone to please subscribe, like, share and our channel so that whenever any update is there, you will not miss any of the recent updates updated on our channel. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay then, let's start our class. First topic is sobriquets. What are sobriquets? Like you have your nickname, similarly there are nicknames for a particular places also. So a sobriquet is what? It is a nickname given to a particular place, person or thing because of its special characteristic feature. Listed below are sobriquets of a few places. You have to write the real name of the places. This is the help box given. Okay, so these are the sobriquets, that means the nickname, and here you have to write the real name, means which country or which city is called as the land of morning calm, the city of lights, the Big Apple. So you have to tell the real name. Okay, so let's start. First question is the land of the morning calm. You know who is known as the land of morning calm? As I am writing, you can see it's Korea. Korea is known as the land of morning calm. Next is the city of lights. The city of lights, Paris is known as the city of lights. Paris is known as the city of lights. Next is the Big Apple. Yes, the Big Apple. I'll just write New York City is known as the Big Apple. Next we have is the land of golden pagodas. The land of golden pagodas. Myanmar is known as the land of golden pagodas. Myanmar is known as the land of golden pagodas. Next in the line we have is the land of rising sun. The land of rising sun, these we are talking about the world. So if we are talking about the world, then Japan is the land of rising sun, and if we are talking about India, then Arunachal Pradesh in India is known as the land of rising sun. This we are talking about the world, so Japan is known as the land of rising sun. Next we have is the windy city. The windy city. So the answer is Chicago. Chicago is known as the windy city. Next we have is the eternal city. You know, Rome is known as the eternal city. Rome is popularly called as the eternal city. Next is the land of thunderbolts. So, who is known as the land of thunderbolt? It's Bhutan. Bhutan is known as the land of thunderbolts. Next we have is the land of cakes. Now, the land of cake. Who likes cake? I guess everyone likes cake. So, the land of cakes is Scotland. Scotland is popularly called as the land of cakes. Next is the port of five seas, Moscow. The correct answer is Moscow. Moscow is popularly known as the port of five seas. Next we have is the coffee port of the world. Now who is known as the coffee port of the world? It's Brazil. Coffee is very popular and it is the largest producer in the world also. Next we have is the roof of the world. So Pamirs are known as the roof of the world. Pamirs are said to be the roof of the world. So, what you have to do is, these are total 12. You can simply break them in 4 plus 4 plus 4. First, listen to the first 4, then write the answer. Then check your answer, then solve again 4, then check the answer and then solve the last one. This way it will help you to retain in your memory for a longer time. Moving ahead for the next page. Next we have is the India quiz. India is a subcontinent. It is a very old country and it is the democratic country also. The people of India, they follows various ways of life, right? So you should be a proud Indian and you should feel very proud of your country. Now we will be having a quiz in which we will ask certain questions, so you have to fill them with the correct answer. Okay, so get ready. Our national anthem is, what is the name of our national anthem? It's Jan Gan Man, which is always sung in the school whenever you have your assembly. So Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. What is the currency of India? The currency of India is India. No, the answer is not India. It's Indian rupee. I'll just write it correctly. It's Indian rupee. Right? Indian rupee is the currency of India. Vande Mataram. Everyone knows it is our national song. But who has written this national song, Vande Mataram? So let's find it out. I hope most of you must be knowing the answer as well. It's Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra. I'll just write it here. It's Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is the correct answer. You can see it in the help box also. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee has written the Vande Mataram, which is our national song. So next we have is the oldest Indian texts are. The oldest Indian texts are the Vedas. Next we have is, which is the most widely spoken language of India? So which is the language which is most widely spoken in India? It's Hindi. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India. Now next question is, who is the head of our country? Again very simple. Who is the head? It's the president. The president is the head of our country, that means of India. President is considered to be the head of India. Next we have is, dash is inscribed on our national emblem. So which is our national emblem? It's lion capital, which means truth alone triumphs. This is the meaning of those words which is inscribed on this national emblem. Now what are the words written? These words are very famous. The words are Satyamev Jayate. It means these words has the meaning of truth alone triumphs. Next in the line we have is there are dash states and dash union territories in India. So I would like to clear now it's the data has changed. We have 28 states and we have 9 union territories. So you are going to write 28 and 9. Please do not write 29 and 7. These are wrong. 28 states and 9 union territories is the correct answer. Next we have is dash is the president of India. Now, who is the president of India? Yes, you must be knowing this answer. Mr. Ramnath Kovind ji is our president. And who is the prime minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And our last question is who is the prime minister of India? It's Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India. So that was the quiz about the India. You must know about these facts. Moving ahead for our next page, we have is about the classical dances. See, there are 8 classical dance style in India. This is the first article from a series about the classical dance legend from the 8 dance style. You can see these are the 8 dancing. These are the 8 classical dancing. We are not talking about any of the dancing. We are particularly talking about the Indian classical dance. So, which are the 8 dance style? It's Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali. Kathak and Kathakali is different. Next is Kuchipudi. Next we have is Manipuri. Also we have Mohiniyattam, Odissi and Satriya. You can see all these dance form in the pictures here. Now what we have to do is we have to write the name of the state to which the dance style belong. Suppose Bharatnatyam. First question is Bharatnatyam. Now to which state does Bharatnatyam belong? We have to write that correct answer. So let's start. These are the 8 dance form. So we will be writing the state name. Okay, so Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam has been originated. It is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. Next we have is Kathak. Kathak is the dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Kathak is the dance form of which state? Uttar Pradesh. Now next is Kathakali. As I told you that Kathak and Kathakali, they both are different. So Kathakali is the dance form of Kerala. Kathakali is the dance form of Kerala. Kathak is the dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Next we have is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. So Kuchipudi is the dance form of 2 states. Earlier they were only 1 state, but it's been in recent that these 2 states have separated. Earlier they were one only, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So Kuchipudi we will be writing. It is the dance form of both the states. It's Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. As I told you that earlier these 2 states were only one, but it's been a time that these 2 have been formed as the 2 different states. Okay, next we have is Manipuri. It's very simple. Just remove I and it becomes the name of the state, Manipur. Manipuri is the dance form of Manipur. Next we have is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is the dance form of Kerala. Mohiniyattam is the dance form of which state? Kerala. Next we have is Odissi. So again the dance form is very easy. It's Odisha. Earlier the name of the Odisha state was Odisha. So you can clearly just relate Odissi with Odisha. Next we have is Satriya. Satriya is the dance form of Assam. Satriya is the dance form of which state? Assam. Now these were the states. So now let's move ahead for our last page, which is about the places and the nickname. Again, like we have done the sobriquets, Now we will be doing it for the Indian states. Earlier we have done it for the world. Now we will be doing the nickname for the states of India. Okay, it can be cities also, it can be states also. So let's quickly solve this. First is the city of Ghats. Which Indian city is known as the city of Ghats? It's Varanasi. Varanasi is known as the city of Ghats. Next we have is the Queen of Satpura. Now who is known as the Queen of Satpura? It's Pachmarahi. Yes, it's Pachmarahi. Pachmarhi. Pachmarahi is the Queen of Satpura. Next we have is the Coral Paradise. Now who is known as the Coral Paradise? It's Lakshadweep. It's Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is known as the Coral Paradise. Next we have is the City of Joy. It's Kolkata. Kolkata is known as the City of Joy. Who is known as the Queen of Satpura? We have just done this. Pachmarahi. And the City of Ghats? Varanasi. The City of Joy? Kolkata. Next we have is the Home of Cloud. It is also called as the Abode of Clouds. You know, clouds in Hindi, they are called as the Megh or Megha. So the state name here is Meghalaya. Meghalaya is known as the Home of Clouds. Next we have is the Scotland of the East. Who is known as the Scotland of the East? Which state? It is the Shillong. It is the capital of which state? If you know the answer, please write to me in the comment section. Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East. Now let's quickly solve some other question. Which state or city in India is known as the paradise on earth? It's Kashmir. Kashmir is known as the paradise on earth. Next we have is the Manchester of East. Earlier we have done the Scotland of East, and Shillong is known as the Scotland of East. S for Shillong, S for Scotland. Now we have is Manchester. Manchester of the East. Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of the East. Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of the East. Next we have is the land of river. The land of river. Punjab is popularly called as the land of river in India. Next we have is the Spice Garden of India. Which state or city is known as the Spice Garden of India? It's Kerala. Kerala is known as the Spice Garden of India. Last but not the least, we have is the Venice of the East. So it's Alappuzha. Alappuzha is known as the Venice of the East. Okay, students. Now here comes the surprise. If you have listened to my video very carefully, then just answer me very simple 4 questions. First is, which state or city in the world is known as the land of cakes? First question is, which state or city is known as the land of cakes? Second question we have is, how many states and union territories are there in India? How many states and union territories in India? Next we have is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is the classical dance form of which state? Kuchipudi is the classical dance form of which state? And last, 4th question. Which state or city in India is known as the paradise on the earth? Which state or city in India is known as the paradise on the earth? If you have heard my video very carefully and you know the answer, then please write all the answers to me in the comment section on this below this video only. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your answers. So that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Thank you, everyone.